So a lot of people talk about playing a warm-up set as being at the bottom of the pecking order, when it really isn't. Playing a warm-up set, especially a good one, and doing a good job is literally essential for a good night. You are setting the foundation, the basis for the rest of the night. If you mess up here, that could set the tone for the rest. You don't want to be doing that. But you know, if you put in the groundwork, you do these warm-up sets, week in, week out, even at different clubs, hours of work, you will pick up skills that a main set DJ will not have. You'll learn how to read the crowd and react to a crowd, giving them the best possible performance, show, setting the best possible tone for that night. These are skills that you can't pick up without experience, and this is exactly what it's going to give you. So never think of the warm-up set as being something bad, because it really isn't. I, in fact, love doing warm-up sets. I still do them occasionally, and they are literally a joy, a highlight for me.